Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, treatment of central serous retinopathy. So, central serous retinopathy, if you see the treatment of central serous retinopathy, there is spontaneous resolution occurs. Most commonly, spontaneous resolution occurs by 6 to 12 months. Or else we can do a laser photocoagulation. Actually, a laser photocoagulation can be done, which will increase the or fasten the symptomatic relief. That is, with the help of laser photocoagulation, it will give symptomatic relief to the patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.